Family, colleagues, coworkers here in Colorado from Kaplan Morrell, and today is Friday and it is January 11, 2019, and today actually we mark we're like in the second or third week of the partial government shutdown, and inspired by the partial government shutdown, I've decided to see who I can furlough at Kaplan Morrell as a non-essential employee. So let's go and see who does what and decide who's essential and non-essential. Now normally we come to the reception area and okay, what is your name?
My name is Christian.
And Christian, what do you do here at Kaplan Morrell?
I'm a receptionist and a legal assistant, so I kind of do a little bit of everything.
What do you do as a legal assistant? A
Setting,
little bit of everything?
to an extent. I mean, I'm setting out documents to
That's a
request
little
records.
presumptuous. Like everything in the office you do
Not
a little
necessarily, but a little bit of everything in the legal assistant department, I guess I'd say.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I still have no idea what you do.
Setting out requests for documents, sending out letters to clients, making sure their appointments are confirmed, setting up appointments.
Now, Christian,
Yes.
I've got to furlough a non-essential employee. Are you essential, do you think?
I would think so.
Why?
Because you need your clients to, when they first walk in, they need to be greeted. They need to make sure that you know they're taken care of.
Okay, all right, so I'm going to give you,
Yeah.
here, you are essential.
Okay.
Okay, now if you had to declare one person here as non-essential, who would that be?
I can't answer that question.
I thought you did a little bit of everything. Answering that question is part of everything. Give me a name. Who here do we really not need?
No comment. Can I go on to the next question?
Let's go. Receive.
Oh my goodness.
I'm here with Veronica Gonzalez. Veronica, you've worked with me not quite half your life, or even a third. What do you do here?
What I don't do here, I don't go to court.
Good God! What do you mean you don't do, or?
I don't go to court, but everything
Okay,
else I
you
can
do everything else
I
other than
could.
go to court. You could.
Part of it.
So apparently, I have two team members here who do everything.
I'm in charge of client accounts, so I also help to translate. I help a little bit with as legal assistant.
Another legal assistant. What do you do as a legal assistant? How do you assist legally?
I help our clients in some, like sending letters, making sure they get some transportation, interpretation for appointments, medical area, a little bit here and there. I also help you a little bit with marketing, so yeah, a little bit here, a little bit there.
Okay, Veronica, would you say your job is essential?
Depending for who.
Well, I have to furlough somebody. We're going to go to a Kaplan Morrell partial shutdown like the federal government. So I have to find a non-essential employee to furlough.
Based on the fact that if I'm not here, many clients probably don't get their checks, could be.
Yeah, well, I think okay. Checks. So, Veronica, I'm going to say you are essential. Okay. Okay. If
I
you,
got two.
Oh,
That means
you're doubly essential? Maybe. Veronica, who here is not essential? Who could I furlough and we wouldn't miss them? Anybody? Come on, give me a name. You want to whisper me a name? No, okay, all right. Okay. All right. We'll
Ooh, but
keep going.
Maybe, I'm thinking maybe not exactly. Who knows?
We'll keep looking. This is where Ryan works. Ryan is not here. So maybe we
How essential could he be?
How essential? All right.
Oh, we have to have our sunglasses on today.
Yes, because it's an unpleasant duty. I need to know, I need to get rid of somebody. I need to know what you do.
I am the paralegal that's been here the longest. I answer phones, I do letters to clients, I set hearings, I set doctor's appointments, I track down medical records.
And your name, by the way, is?
Brandy.
Okay, and Brandy, are you saying you do everything, or is there certain things you don't do?
I don't do payroll.
But other than payroll, you do everything?
I don't do intakes right now.
See, okay. Would you say you're essential?
Yes.
Why?
Because even when I'm home at night, at 9 p.m., I get phone calls from my bosses.
Brandy, if you had to pick someone to furlough, who would you furlough?
Oliver.
Oliver? Oliver isn't even on the payroll.
Exactly.
Veronica suggested I'd furlough Nick. What do you
Nick?
think? Yeah.
He does help me with track treat stuff, so maybe not.
All right, well, we'll keep looking. All right, let's go here.
Aren't you supposed to take over the camera?
Oh, God.
All right, what's your name?
Angelica.
And Angelica, what do you do here? Justify your existence in this office, please. Is it Angelica or Angelica?
In Spanish es Angelica,
Uh-huh.
and English it's Angelica.
So do you have some clients who say, hey, Angelica, what's hanging, lady? And then
No,
others say,
some
¿Qué
Spanish-
pasa, Angelica?
¿Qué rollo?
¿Qué rollo?
Angelica.
Sí?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what do you do here, Angelica?
I sit here and look pretty usually.
Would you say
Just
that is that you are essential part of the office?
I am. Yes.
Why is that?
I do a lot of
Just
the
as the eye
translating.
candy of the office,
No.
is that it?
No, I do a lot of the translating.
Well, but Veronica says
Spanish.
she does translating, so okay, why do I need you?
I also assist the attorneys and paralegals,
So what do you assist them in?
filing motions, doing applications, translating documents for them.
So would you say you're essential?
Yes.
Do I give you an essential ticket?
Yes.
Okay. Who can I get rid of? Who can I furlough as non-essential?
Non-essential. I don't know.
Come on, you can tell me. Nobody's listening.
Nobody's. What?
Okay, Ryan. Okay, good. All right, well, let's
You
keep.
said nobody was listening.
I lied. All right, let's see if Ryan is here. Once again, not here. All right. All right, Nick.
Well,
Nick,
hello.
I have to ask you what it is you do here.
I am a legal assistant. You haven't heard that one yet. I do AWW calculations.
So you do calculations?
Yes. And that's how we give people some of their benefits. I answer the phones. I do releases. I do other forms. I sort.
Nick,
I am moral support.
If I furloughed you for a week or two, would anyone notice?
Next week, no.
Because you're on vacation.
I'm on vacation. I'm already furloughing myself.
Okay, but if I didn't have you come back, would we notice?
Yeah, I think the office would be a little less happy.
Why are you essential here?
My Spanish speaking abilities.
Okay, hold on, man. You speak Spanish?
Muy bien.
Okay, so tell me the rest of what you do in Spanish, please.
Yo trabajo a la oficina de abogado.
Okay, we'll make you essential. Nick, if you had to furlough somebody, who would it be?
I think I would furlough Veronica because she said she'd furlough me. And I'm also good at math, so I think I could do some of her duties.
Okay, all right, well, thank you. Let's keep going and check.
exactly what you need. Yeah, worse than ever.
Margaret, I have to furlough someone, and so I'm trying to find a non-essential person to furlough. So I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
What is it that you do here, Margaret?
I'm a paralegal here.
And what does that mean?
I assist Rhonda with all of her files.
Would you say you're essential?
I'm essential.
And when you say assist, what does that mean?
Pretty much prepare all our applications for hearing, do objections.
Would you say
Set
you
up
do
files.
a little bit of everything?
I do.
Really? Okay. So how many people would I need to have here in the office that do a little bit of everything? Could I get away with just you doing a little bit of everything?
No.
Why not?
I would be here 24/7.
That, I'm okay with that.
I'm not.
You're on salary, so it's not. If you had to give me a name of someone who's not essential, who should I furlough?
I think everybody here is essential.
That's the cop-out, Margaret. Come on. Who's the least essential?
The least essential?
Who could we drop, and for the next 2 weeks we probably wouldn't notice?
Oh. I think everybody here is essential.
But you are essential?
Yes.
Okay, all right. But you assist Rhonda.
Yes.
So maybe if you do everything, I don't need Rhonda. Let's go check with Rhonda.
Okay.
It's not sticking here. Are you getting anything sticking? Oh, okay.
She's not even talking about a client. She's talking about the weather. I think I found a non-essential person.
Right. All right, I have to go. Okay. Okay, bye. Hello.
Hi,
You
Rhonda.
look like risky business.
Hi, Rhonda.
Hi.
I have to furlough someone as non-essential.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm very essential.
Okay.
I'm
I
very
need,
essential.
Rhonda, what is it that you do here?
I help injured workers.
How so?
Every day. I just settled the case just a little while ago. I got an injured worker money she
Wait a
desperately
second.
needed.
You got the injured worker money. That means you
That she
earned money for
desperately
the office too.
Yes, of course.
Okay, but essentially, I was just told that Margaret basically does most of what you do. And
She does my
maybe
job.
I could get rid of one or the other.
Well, then who's gonna go to hearing?
Okay, so
So I'll be back.
I have to go to hearing.
okay, well that's true. Okay, so I'm going to give you the essential. Okay,
Oh,
Rhonda,
yay.
if I, who in the office could I furlough as non-essential?
We could try Nick. He's getting ready to go to Mexico.
It's very
I think
interesting.
He's very
So far, I've
essential.
gotten 2 votes for Nick and 2 votes for Ryan. So
Okay.
let's see if I get a tiebreaker. We have one more person to ask. No.
Everyone's just.
Oh no.
And what is your name?
Gina Morrell.
Okay, my name is Morrell. What do you do at this office? I have to let someone go.
I'm your boss
Why is that?
because I am your wife.
Okay, but other than being my wife, what makes you essential here at the office?
Right now, I'm working on payroll.
So
I get
like
people
if you're
paid.
not, so if I let you go today, what would people notice?
I think no one would get paid today.
And I think you're essential. Okay, thank you. Well, unfortunately, I have to decide between Ryan and Nick, and since Ryan isn't here to defend himself, it's looking pretty good that, maybe I can, but so far I haven't found a single non-essential person here at Kaplan Morrell because we're all working hard for our clients, injured workers in Colorado. And So with that, we'll keep working and wish you a great and happy weekend. And please do keep us in mind in case anybody you know is injured on the job. And thank you so much for listening and watching. Bye.